Hi, I'm Adrienne Hodge, a Dougherty Art Center adult instructor and also a working artist. Today I'm going to be giving you a tour of my home studio. So the majority of my work is created using ink. I have this very large ink collection, which I mostly store in this shelving unit by my front door. I also have a lot of vintage writing inks here from the 1940s. And since they're so old, they often have a lot of little filaments inside, which can add an interesting texture to my work. So most of my supplies are located near my desk, behind my kitchen table in my dining room area of my home, but I also keep a lot of supplies stored all around my house, like these two cabinets on either side of my couch. I also have these two large pieces hanging here, which are done on printmaking paper. So in addition to working with ink, I also do some oil painting from time to time and also a lot of mixed media work. So I keep a lot of solvents and fixatives and things like that for mixed media and painting inside of these cabinets. My work is very heavily influenced by science, particularly quantum physics. So I keep a lot of physics textbooks near my desk in case I want to incorporate a diagram or research one of these topics while I'm working. And I have a lot of favorite pages tabbed off so I can find things easily. Not all of the diagrams that I use in my work come from textbooks. Sometimes they come from notes that I have taken in different college courses that I have audited on quantum physics, and then more recently on neuroscience. So for instance, this diagram right here that I took in a neuroscience class can be found in this painting. So this is a recent work on canvas using primarily Walnut Ink, very much a work in progress, and very large canvas. One of my favorite surfaces to work on is a very heavyweight watercolor paper. This is the Arches brand watercolor paper, and it is so sturdy that it can stand up on its own, and I can layer a lot of ink on that. And then this is a series that I've recently been working on using Walnut Ink, again on the printmaking paper. So here's a little closer look at the area around my desk. I've got a lot more of the inks that I use the most within easy reach. A lot of Walnut Ink here in little bottles, paintbrushes, scissors for mixed media work, and then I like to use these ceramic palettes for the ink, and I store them in plastic baggies in between use to keep them from drying out.